In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install suede, micro suede, alcantara into your car. I just went to your local Joann's, or you can go to Walmart. They have this. They sell it by the yard by 54 inches. So I just got a yard and a half, and I'm planning just to do my pillars. And if it looks good, I might do my headliner, but the process is the same. And then you want some 3M high strength 90. It also comes in 70, but this is a lot stronger, and it's supposed to be hold up to the heat and UV and all that stuff a little better. Alright, let's get started. So first, of course, you want to start off by removing your pillars. Your A pillars right here. Usually it's just pole. These ones, the B pillars, you're going to have to remove your seat belt, and then it should come off pretty easy. Probably remove this panel too. And C pillars back there, same deal. Remove the seat belt, and then you should be able to just simply pull it off. Next will be my shift boot trim, and then my HVAC and CD player trim. Same deal. Make sure you leave a lot of room, and then we're going to turn it around and cut little holes once we adhese it. Next, you just want to shake this up pretty well, and then spray and let it sit for maybe 5 to 10 minutes, 15 minutes before it gets a little tacky. And you can test if it's a little tacky just if you touch it with a piece of cardboard or paper and it kind of sticks. So just like the instruction says, wait maybe 10 minutes and make sure you spray both this and your fabric. You see now I'm doing the shift boot. There's a little platform right there. And just spray it down. And of course you just want to wipe everything down, make sure it's nice and clean. No dust. Alright, and then of course when you cut it, just want to make sure you leave a lot of overhang, maybe an inch around the edges, just so you can tuck under and make everything look nice and clean. So I'm going to do that now. Just leave about an inch. First time, probably just make sure you leave a little more than an inch if this is the first time you're doing it. So after spraying it, it should look like this. Just wait maybe 2 to 3 minutes. I did 2 nice light layers. You don't want it too thick, or else it'll soak through to the fabric. So just a quick test. It's a little tacky. Maybe wait for another 2 minutes and then pop it on to your right here. So I found out I actually want it pretty thick. So as you can see, I put maybe 5-6 layers. It's still not soaking through, so hopefully that'll be okay. It's gonna take a little longer to be tacky, but I tried using just 2 to 3 layers. It wasn't really sticking. So I'm gonna try a little thicker and see if that works. Of course, then you just want to cut around the edges. Maybe leave 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Doesn't have to be too fancy because you're going to be tucking it around the edges. This is what it looks like right now. So you're going to smooth out all the edges. And just fold around the edges. Make sure as you fold, you push and make everything nice and aligned. And just cut these little edges off. Just fold around all these edges. Make sure everything's nice. And push down. And all these big edges, you can give a good snip. That's what the front looks like. Looks like in the sun. This side. Here it is installed.